Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is an exciting journey. I'm riding from Ikwuano local government area in Abia State, and I'm heading to Akwa Ibom State because we share common boundary, Abia State and Akwa Ibom State, and I'm going through the Ikwuano side. It's not just around the Ikwuano area of Abia State that we share common boundary with Akwa Ibom State. We share common boundaries in different areas like the Azumili area and some other places. But I decided to go through Ikwuano LGA. So you can see students are coming back from school. Shows that this video was made maybe around that kind, maybe let's say 4 p.m. and you can see how the environment is. The sun is already down, and I think that's a health center there. I believe it's a health center. You can see the beautiful view of Ikwuano from the lens of my camera. I'm so excited, man. Now this road on the opposite side, you're gonna be seeing like bushes or forest, and some of them are also farms too. And the road you are seeing is bad, but it was recently awarded. There is a university somewhere in this part of Ikwuano. I think it's called Amadeus University, something like that. It's a private university, not far from this road. I think one of the junctions along this road. And then you're going to get to Ariam. Ariam is the last community you get before you now enter Akwa Ibom. And when you get to Akwa Ibom, the first community, the first place you're going to get in Akwa Ibom is called Obot Akara. So stay tuned, guys. Watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. If I passed your area, you can tell us. Ikwuano is actually gradually developing. A lot of projects are actually active in Ikwuano right now, construction of roads and the rest of them. So we believe that very soon Ikwuano you are seeing will open the more. Now, to tell you something, I need to tell you something. The best palm wine you will get in Abia State, and for Ikwuano a day, in a place called Ariam in Ikwuano. That's where we have the best palm wine in Abia State. You understand? So I'm going to be showing you that's a school. I think that's a primary school there with the field, and we have I saw beautiful mansions too in Ikwuano, like this one you're seeing here. You're still going to see a couple of of them along this road as we are driving down to Akwa Ibom. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to actually watch the video. So let me give you some little information about Ikwuano, some little details. Now, Ikwuano is a local government in Abia State with its headquarters in Isialo. The area is part of the Abia Central Senatorial District and is known for its rich cultural heritage, agricultural base, and humid forest climate. Historically, the name Ikwuano refers to the four ancient kingdoms that make up the community: Oboro, Ibere, Ariam, Osaka, and Oloko. So these are the four ancient kingdoms that make up the community. Ikwuano shares boundaries with neighboring local government areas and communities within Abia State. It borders other local government areas like Umuahia North, Umuahia South, and Ishialangwa South. So since Ikwuano shares a common boundary with Akwa Ibom, I believe there could be, intermarriage, happening between the two, Abia and Akwa Ibom, I believe. I don't know, but it's possible since they are both neighbors. And then apart from marriage, sometimes too, there could be, boundary issues. Yeah, you can find, boundary issues most times in communities that, are, on the boundary with each other. You have this type of issues sometimes. Another thing I noticed about communities, that are on the boundary, communities that share boundary between this community and the other community, or this state and the other state, you get to see a little influence of culture. You see cultural influence from both communities or from both states. Well, I don't know if that's obtainable between Ikwuano, especially Ariam, and then Akwa Ibom. Well, if you're from Ariam or you're from Akwa Ibom and you can tell us in the comment section. So you'll be seeing the logo of the construction company that's going to handle this Umuahia Road project. That's it. That's a Geld Construction Company. Now this is Ariam Junction, Ariam Alala Junction. That's the junction over there. And we are going to continue our journey because we are going to Akwa Ibom. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button. So when you look at Ariam, Ariam has this village settings, this village vibe. It no be like we will be say our village not a town. Our village not a town. So anytime I'm passing through Ariam, I'll be like, wow, 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 that's nice. That feeling, feeling of say, you don't think we see village like this, so you understand. My own village, since how many years ago now, everywhere don't do okay. My village not come be like village again. So I really appreciate it when I see, a village settings. So let me leave you guys with my long talk so you guys can enjoy the video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video. Maybe someone from Ikwuano might see it and want to know what's up in Ikwuano in 2025.